Welcome back to my channel. This is Deepak, your maths teacher from Mount Little Z School, Jhansi. I hope you all are doing good. So, without wasting much time and without any more delay, we'll move to the first topic. As we have learned, as I gave you in the previous video of mine to solve 10 sums based on multiplication of 4-digit number with 1-digit number, right? It was the homework basically. So, today we'll be continuing with the same topic only, that multiplication of 4-digit number with 2-digit number and word problems based on multiplication. So moving on to our first topic, that is multiplication of 4-digit number with 2-digit number. Let's take an example of a number 2496 multiplied by 28. So the number which is to be multiplied, the 28 needs to be multiplied. Na? So from the ones digit of the number which is going to be multiplied, we'll start multiplying from this digit. 8 6 is 48. 8 9 is 72. 72 and 4 is 76. Carry 7. 8 4 is 32, 32 and 7, 39, and carry 3. 8 to 16, 16 into 3 is 19. Okay? Now, basically, people use crossover here. Even you can use 0 over here. Doesn't matter at all. Won't make a difference. So you can use any of the two, cross or 0, doesn't matter. 6 to the again 12, carry 1. We need to ignore this now. You can cut it also like this. Okay, 6 over 12, carry 1, 9 to the 18 and 1 is 19, carry 1, 4 to the 18 1 9, and 2 to the is 4, so 8, now we'll add over, 8, 6 and 2 is 8, 9 and 18, carry 1, 19, 1, 6, so the answer to this question is 6, 9, and 888, 69,888. So in this manner, we need to just take care one thing in mind, that we need to multiply. We cannot start like this way. We cannot start this way. No, we will only start this way. From this very number, 8. Okay? Yeah. Moving on to the next. We'll do one more example of the same thing. On to the second example. Let's take an example of a number 9999 multiplied by 22. Okay, it's an easy number. Again, from the extreme right, 2, first you multiply these numbers. 2 9s are 18, 9 2s are 18 and again 1 9, 9 2s are 18 and 19, 3 1, 9 2s are 18 and 19. Okay, now again you can put cross or 0, anything of you want, of your wish. So we'll put cross over. In the previous time we put 0 over, so right now we'll put cross over. 9 2s are 18, carry 1. 9 to the 18 and 1 19, carry 1, 9 to the 18 and 1 19, carry 1, 9 to the 18 and 19. Okay? You can see one thing, this number is completely similar to this number, isn't it? What is the reason? The reason is this, that the number which we are multiplying was 22. Okay? It was 22. If you are having 10 rupees, let's say, okay, and if you are multiplying 10 with 2, you will get the answer as 20. Same way, if you multiply 10 again with 2, you will get 20. So irrespective of the fact that you are having same numbers, you don't need to multiply it again. You can also do one thing. If you are seeing that the number is 4-digit number and it's 22 over here, or at 99 or 110 or 110, like 111 or 444, that doesn't matter. The only thing which you need to take in care is this, that if the number is repeated, you do one thing, that the answer which you got by multiplying the first digit, you can copy the same for the second digit. Okay? So, now we'll do addition. 8, 9 and 8 is 17. 9 and 9, 18 and 1 19. 18 and 1 19. 9 and 1 10 and 1 11. Carry 1 and 2. That turns out to be 2,19,978. So in this manner, I hope you got very clear with the topic, how to multiply a 4-digit number with 2-digit number. So right now you will do the homework for this thing. You need to solve 8 sums based on multiplication of 4-digit number by 2-digit number. Okay. So we move on to the second topic of the day, that is word problems based on multiplication. So we have one question over here. A tank can hold 1268 liters of water, and so how much water can 27 such tanks carry? Just take an example. Like you have one bag, okay, and in that one bag you have 10 books, okay. How many, and just imagine that if you are having same sort of bag and 10 bags, okay, and in those 10 bags there are same number of books which was in that one bag. Like if in that one bag it was 10 books, so how many books would be all together? If one bag is carrying 10 books, two bag would carry 20, three bag would carry 30, 4 40, 5 50. In this manner 10 bags would carry 100 books, right? This is basically the method of repeated addition which we learned in the previous video. Now we'll check out the same method. Like itna liters of water, 1268 liters of water is in one tank. So we need to find out the total number of capacity, total number of liters of water in 27 such tanks. So 1268 multiplied by 27. As in one tank it was itna, so in 27 it would be, we will multiply the same number by 27. Okay. So 7 8 is 56, carry 5, 7 6 is 42, 42 and 5 is 48, 47, carry 4, 7 and 2 is 14 and 4 is 18, carry 1, 7 1 is 7 and 1 8. Okay, we put crossover here, 8 to the 16, carry 1, we cut this number, 6 to the 12 and 1 is 13, 2 to the 4 and 1 5, and 2 and the 2. Now we'll add this number, 6, 7 is 13, carry 1, 9 and 3 is 12, 8 and 6 is 8 and 1 9, 9 and 5 is 14, carry 1 and 3. So 34,236 liters of water would be carried in 27 such tanks. So in this manner you can find out the answer for the same question. So moving on to a second example of word problem. We have a question over here. A flower bed has 12 rows. It has 12 rows. There are 28 flowers in each row. Each row there are 28 flowers. How many plants are there in entire bed? Plants, or you can say flowers, in entire bed. Let's make a bed. Okay. How many of those 12 rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. How many flowers? Let's say 28 flowers in each bed. In each row. 28, 28, 28, 28, 28, 28. Okay. We'll write over here also. In each row there are 28 flowers. Okay. So we need to find out the total number of flowers in entire bed. One method is this, then again you will add all the numbers. But why do it when we have the concept of multiplication? So we'll directly do one thing. 28 flowers in how many rows? 12 rows. Multiplied by 12. 8 to the 16, carry 1. 2 to the 4 and 1 5. 8 1 is 8 and 2 in the 2. We write this number 6, 8 and 5 is 13, carry 1, 3. So there are total number of 336 flowers in the entire bed. Okay. I'll repeat once again. What did we do in this question? There are 12 rows, 28 flowers in each row. So we divide it like there are 12 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 rows, 28 flowers in each row. So to find out the total number of flowers in entire bed, we multiplied the same number and we got the answer 336. So it means that there are 336 flowers in the entire bed. So in this way we end our today's seminar, today's lecture of mine. I hope you guys learned the new concept of word problems and multiplication of 4-digit number into 2-digit number. But don't forget to complete the homework. I hope you complete the homework of my previous video also. Same way complete the homework of this video also. Stay safe, stay indoors. Thank you.